Hello students, today we are going to learn about hard disk cylinder. So what do you mean by a disk? Disk is used for storing large amounts of data. The most basic unit of data on the disk is a single bit of information. To code information, bits are grouped into bytes. Byte size are typically 4 to 8 bits depending on the computer and the device. Disks are all made of magnetic material shaped as a thin circular disk and protected by a plastic or acrylic cover. A disk is single-sided if it stores information on only one of its surface and double-sided if both surfaces are used. Now, what do you mean by a disk pack? To increase storage capacity, disks are assembled into a disk pack, which may include many disks and hence many surfaces. A disk pack is a layered grouping of hard disk platters. Disk pack is the core component of a hard disk drive. In modern hard disks, the disk pack is permanently sealed inside the drive. Now, what do you mean by a track and cylinder? The circular area on a disk platter which can be accessed without moving the access arm of the drive is called track. Information is stored on a disk surface in concentric circles of small width, for each having a distant diameter. Each circle is called a track. For disk pack, the tracks with the same diameter on the various surfaces are called cylinder because of the shape they would form if connected in space. In the set of tracks of a disk drive which can be accessed without changing the position of the access arm are called cylinder. What do you mean by a sector? A fixed size physical data block on a disk drive. A track usually contains a large amount of information. It is divided into smaller blocks or sectors. The division of a track into sectors is hard-coded on the disk surface and cannot be changed. One type of sector organization calls a portion of a track that subtends a fixed angle at the center as a sector. Several other sector organizations are possible, one of which is to have the sectors subtend smaller angles at the center as one moves away, thus maintaining a uniform density of recording. Read-write head. A tape drive is required to read the data from or to write the data to a tape reel. Usually, each group of bits that forms a byte is stored across the tape, and the bytes themselves are stored consecutively on the tape. A read-write head is used to read or write data on tape. Data records on tape are also stored in blocks, although the blocks may be substantially larger than those for disks, and interblock gaps are also quite large. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can contact me in my personal WhatsApp number.